Good morning, kids. Welcome back to your computer class. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is operating system and graphical user interface. So, firstly, we are going to see about operating system. What is operating system? Operating system is nothing but a interface between users and computer. Operating system is a software that makes a computer hardware operational. It is usually stored on the hard disk of a computer. An operating system is the master control program of a computer. Without an operating system, a computer's hardware and software would be useless to a common user. Modern devices having computer capabilities such as a mobile phone, tablet, etc. also needs an operating system for an operation. We have seen about operating system. Now what is need for an operating system? An operating system is basically required for some of the purposes like control. An operating system is required for controlling the hardware and software resources of the computers. Second is hardware independence. An operating system is required for providing a consistent application interface. It makes a computer screen and device look and behave the same on any computer. From a user's point of view, a computer is nothing but the operating system running on it. Third is portability. An operating system ensures that an application developed by a programmer on one computer functions on other computer of the same type, even if the two computers have different storage space or memory. Means portability is nothing but a compatibility. Now, functions of an operating system. A computer is made up of several hardware devices. It also stores a lot of users' data and a number of software. During its operations, the computer keeps on executing various software, thereby converting input data into output. The main functions of an operating system is to manage the available hardware and software resources to achieve efficient operation. The various functions of an operating system are classified in some of the categories. First one is processor management. As you already know, CPU is the main component that executes the instructions given to the computer. CPU is a limited resource, though a computer may have more than one processor, called multiprocessor computers. It is the operating system that decides which program will run on the CPU when and how for long. Another is memory management. The main memory, that is RAM, is another but limited resource. The personal computer nowadays have 4 or up to 16 GB RAM. The operating system controls the allocation and deallocation of RAM to the requesting running programs. Next is device management. A computer is equipped with several types of devices. An operating system controls all the input and output functions of these devices. Next one is file management. An operating system is responsible to control transfer of files between main memory and secondary storage, managing files and folders, allocating the secondary storage space, and providing file protection. Next is interface management. An operating system controls the interaction of the computer with the user and the other application. Now we will see about features of an operating system. An operating system is designed to work on diverse hardware platforms. Another feature of an operating system is the user interface that determines how a user interacts with the computer. Operating system supports connectivity to different devices like USB, CD, DVD drives, etc. When a user attach a device to the computer, a device driver provides an interface to the operating system to identify the device and make use of it. An operating system has an administrative user that can make changes to the computer setting. User can make the settings as per their own convenience. The process of turning on a computer and loading the operating system into the RAM is known as booting the computer. The boot process involves loading a number of programs and running a series of tests to ensure that the computer system is operating properly. All this happens automatically when you turn on the computer. Now the second question, why do we need an operating system? We need operating system because it controls the hardware and software resources. The operating system provides hardware independence. It makes the application portable. The operating system also makes the application upward compatible. Third, what are the main features of an operating system? The operating system can work on diverse hardware platforms. It provides a user interface. It supports a variety of connectivity. The operating system provides an administrative user. It helps to boot the computer. So whatever we have learned up till now, on that we are going to see some of the questions. What is operating system? Operating system is the most important program that runs on a computer. Operating system is an interface between computer and user. It is responsible for the management and coordination of activities and the sharing of the resources of the computer. In this we have seen a word booting. What is booting? The process of turning on a computer and loading the operating system into the RAM. It's called booting. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.